welcome back to my channel. So I'm back once again with another video, and this one's going to be a little bit different. So basically, a company by the name of Jord sent me this beautiful watch, and I'm going to be hosting a giveaway right here, right now. So if you're interested, keep on watching. First giveaway of 2018, so I hope you're just as excited as I am. Jord is a company that specializes in wooden watches, and once they first contacted me, for some reason wooden watch screamed masculine to me, but they managed to create this beautiful, unique watch that I'm going to talk to you about. I'm wearing it right now. I've been loving it. I've worn it in a few of my Instagram pictures, and some of you guys were asking where I got it from, so you will get all the details right now. I've been really into accessories, just fashion in general lately. I mean, check out my Instagram if you want to see my outfit post. And I have about 3 watches at the moment. I do want to expand and build on my collection, but ever since I moved last year, I've been on this minimalistic journey with my wardrobe. I mean, I'm trying, but this is the direction I'm heading. So I don't necessarily want to get a whole bunch of pieces. I value quality now over quantity. So I'm actually very happy to actually add this watch to my collection because it's a really good quality watch. It's unique. All the watches are hand-made. It's such a statement piece. It comes in this beautiful heavy wooden box. It also came with a cleaning cloth as well as a finishing oil to condition the wood and keep it in tip-top shape. Inside the box, of course, you have your beautiful watch resting on this tiny pillow like the princess that she is. I measured my wrist beforehand and sent my measurements, so the watch fits me perfectly. And I personally like my watches to be well fitted anyway. So if you are ordering a watch for someone and you don't know their sizes, it's fine. You can still get it and get it resized in any watch store. I'm amazed to see how they managed to create such a beautiful, delicate, feminine piece. For example, this watch I'm wearing, even look at the color. The rose gold detailing really gets me. The wood is just, everything is so well made. And it also has this minimalistic look to it, which I really like. So you're able to pair this with any outfits. They obviously have different colors, different sizes, different shapes on the website. So make sure to check them out at woodwatches.com. The wooden box the watch came in is actually engraved with their logo, and that's another thing. They do provide engraving services, so you can order this watch for your mom, your dad, your significant other, your sister, anybody, and you can actually get it engraved. So that's pretty neat. I actually have a Michael Kors watch, and lately I've been reaching for this one. I've been getting a ton of compliments on it, so it's one of those watches that you have in your wardrobe that you know you're gonna have for a long time. It's a good watch, it's a quality watch, and it looks good. So what else can you really ask for? So this giveaway is actually going to be a $100 store credit towards the purchase of a watch, and they also provide a code for $25 off your order if you don't want to wait until the end of this giveaway. I'll put all the details down below. Let me know if you are going to enter. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of the watch. And if you do get it, let me know if you're getting it for yourself or for someone else. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!